Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to download the Zangi Messenger. Now let us begin. If you are on the iPhone, simply open up the App Store. Else, if you are on Android, open up the Google Play right now. I'm simply gonna open up Play Store and search for Zangi. And guys, this is it. This is the application that we want to install, that is Zangi Private Messenger. Do note that you can directly install it by clicking on this install button. Else, if you want more information regarding this application, simply click on the app icon and you will be redirected to this page. From here, as you can see lots of things right here, but right now all we want to do is install it. So at the top you can simply hit the install button right here, and guys, that is it. That's how we download Zangi Private Messenger. The process is quite easy, but do note that it might take some time to download the application depending upon your internet speed. Well guys, that is it. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.